All right, let's look at this net present value question. So this company is evaluating the purchase of a new computer network, and here's the information, right? They have initial investment of $24,000. That happens now. There's net cash inflows of $8,500. This happens for 5 years, each year for 5 years. And then there's salvage value of $2,000 at the end of 5 years. We can solve this with the time value of money tables, which I'll show you how to do in this video, or Excel, which I'll also show you. And you can use Excel if that's made available to you by your instructor. If you're taking this exam in the online testing center, then it is not available to you. And let's assume there's a 12% required rate of return. So again, I lay out the information in this table, and this I think is the easiest way to do it. So I have 3 cash flows. Initial investment, that's minus $24,000. That happens now. The present value of $1 today is $1, so the factor is 1. So 1 times minus 24,000 is minus 24,000. I need to find the factor for the cash inflows. This is an annuity. It happens every year for 5 years of $8,500. And I need to find the factor for the salvage value of $2,000 that happens at the end of 5 years. So the present value of an annuity for 12% for 5 periods is 3.605. So I plug that number in there. The present value of $1, 12% for 5 periods is 0.567, so I plug that number in there. Now I just extend out the math. So 8,500 times 3.605 is 30,643. 2,000 times 0.567 is 1,134. I sum these or net them together to get net present value of 7,777. I can also do this in Excel. The Excel formula is PV open parentheses 12%, 5 periods, minus 8,500, that's the payment, minus 2,000, that's the future value. And then I usually have this little table when I use Excel. So the initial investment is minus 24,000. The present value of the cash inflows, 31,775, and that number is this formula. And then of course I net those together to get 7,775, so it's slightly different than the other one, and this is actually the more accurate of the two.